Not sure. Just getting over a coughing fit in the locker room earlier. Trying to get some water in my system, be able to breathe. Taking those big breaths are tough right now. That shortness of breath, turning into a cough or just getting choked up, and it's just you got to find a way. Like I said, it's about desire. No matter how I feel, got to do some on the field, and when I get off of it, just maybe go see someone. Try to work with someone. Hopefully, if we make it to the playoffs, try to get myself as close to 100 as possible.